watch another video, and I'm just going to be playing some Subway Surfers. Sorry. Oh, it's the X, whatever that is. Welcome to 5 hours. Wow. Like something. Okay. Well, there's a new update. So I am going to see what the new update is like. So we have Sun. Okay. We have him. He's on level 180. I can see. And we have him. Wow. Need 50 keys to him. What is this? And this. Wow. So you can collect those 6 with about 50 coin KG. Okay. So it wasn't like the exact thing to be up there. I was just gonna play it. So yeah, I'm just gonna collect gift. 100 coins. So let's train some stuff off. Okay, so we have micros. Oh, it doesn't seem much different. It doesn't, but it's all like football type. It is. Yeah. So I might give people a few shout outs. I'm like, I don't know, because probably people that want to and they just decided to now. Okay, so yeah. Jay, does it say my name? No. My name is not Jenny. What? Will also be a video today on Piggy 2. I'm sorry for the lack of upload. I've just been having a little break I have, because it's kind of a bit tiring just uploading so many videos at once. No, I would rather get this. I get like money. I hate it when that happens. I do. So I have like 8,000 coins now. I'm gonna try and get 30,000 coins to get that skin. So yeah. Yay. Like this music in a way. Okay, so yeah. I just hear like the stream in the background. It's, I don't know, because P2 is coming out later. The video would probably come out maybe 10 o'clock or something, because I'll be uploading it. I'll be doing that video. I had 2 videos coming tomorrow. One is, well, the LTM kind of happened ages ago. I just didn't really do the voiceover. It's called I'm an Insane Taxi Driver, or Crazy Taxi Drivers or something. It's because of an LTM for like called I don't know, till taxis, I think. Yeah. So come on. Oh well, yeah, like a few keys I do. You know what? I will watching that to get an extra 500 coins. I like. No, I meant to say. Okay. Just. Yeah. Hurry up. Okay, so yeah, play a bit more. Okay. Yeet. Ah! Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video, so bye. And have a great time.